Riong'eto lokada IGG nesta buki pejo ke district loko kabere maido kusodi da ai moro ke Eswamak kotomono pelu nukech. Araida ai buch Eswamak lumami torse akache swamsine kojoka no kotomona kironi kamnara kireda Ecamusana. Muhairu ngesta buki pejok adekis na polona kokabere maido kusodi ekaulo ai pejokin erot loda bakabe Eswamatai korono.
There is corruption in the works department, and these are reports I've received from this area. Now this is Kairamaid. In your works department regarding roads. The masters in the district, in collusion with the DEO's office and the chairperson of the Association for Primary Head Teachers in the district, you register candidates, okay? And ask them for 15,000 shillings that is collected from each candidate in every school and is paid in cash to the headmaster for e-registration. The headmasters then engage a service provider for the e-registration. However, these service providers charge only 5,000 per candidate. The head teachers remit 3,500 per student to the chairperson of their association, who then forwards it to the DEO's office through the district inspector of schools. In processing terminal benefits, including pensions and gratuity, with some individuals following up their losses for over 10 years in vain.
I think you have shortlisted for 22nd or 21st and they are complaining. There was no fairness. And what is interesting, which I have not heard, I don't know if it is here, but in some districts, people who even don't qualify at all.
We have also identified areas of extortion. Some staff create situations where patients are forced to fork out money and pay for services that would ordinarily not be paid for. We observed that in the scan room, and some medical officers who are involved in such actions, and we have warned them.
Kaluka district is da ichi kopoto kobono kisi abeko nuda limtere kisi ebe eja atarkede aina pitanu ikamna kreda amedichao na kapia armam di terrorist aswamsine kech kojokan kapeda e balatar ikisilang. Luguda poni kibuchino no kese maratos eriongete kama kada kirono ka shoman adekis na kapolo na kokabere maido district service commission eriongete kama kededa works arbonu ki routine kusudi dam mulwele ya itos akroni kama kediro pito arabodam amoini kimle yintos kotom na swamsine akrono kada ikeche sirigin.
That's true. She has raised a number of complaints in specific areas. In areas of theater, in areas of X-ray, imaging, and bit of it in maternity. These allegations have always been there. We have tried as a facility, as a hospital. We have brought the persons, alleged perpetrators. We have asked them to come to make a defense of themselves. And every time it has come, it has not been easy to verify facts.
The majority of the staff, and we were left with 90 for them to migrate to the new system. So they paid the other ones whom they had not finished, and then we take over when they have now put everybody on the new payroll system. So
where I took full responsibility. Before we opened that road, we met the police people a good job. We called the community, we talked with them, and we did with it. We thinking we had already put the milestones for a success story. Little did we know that that was going to be abandoned. And what was being done there was basically...
As I talk now, at least there is a high degree of transparency. Before work is done, everybody knows what is supposed to take place. It is not kept to only us.
Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kokabere Maido District.